You cannot tell me nothing right now. You cannot tell me this is not cute. Like, Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Ebony J. Today I'm going to be doing a large Marley twist style. So Model sent me over their new Aloha twist. And the color that I did receive is tea copper. So it has a little bit of like a copper feel ombre at the bottom and more of like a darker brown ombre at the top. So this I got in 16 inches. This is the new Aloha twist. This is basically Marley hair. And you can do a lot of styles with this hair. You do like twists, you can do locks. You could probably do like butterfly locks, distress locks. And also when I usually buy the Model Marley hair, it's usually like one, you know, bundle in a pack, but this one has like 3 bundles. So you'll probably be able to do, well, you'll probably be able to just use maybe just a few packs instead of buying like 7-8 packs. We'll be doing the rubber band method, so I'm gonna part my hair all over just so I can just have a foundation. And I've never tried this color before, so I'm curious to see how it's gonna look. So this hair feels really fluffy. It's a little bit softer than Marley hair, but still has that kinky Marley hair feel. So this should be similar to my texture hair when I go ahead and install it. I don't want to really blow dry my hair. I'd rather not put heat on my hair right now, so I might not start off with blow dry hair. I might just start off with my natural hair. So yeah, we're gonna get started on these large Marley twists, and yeah, let's get started. Now when I got to the middle, I just extended the length just to give me some more length down at the bottom so it wouldn't stop too far up. So here I'm just adding a second piece very easily. So this is how they came out. I think I have about 16 in here. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I have 17 in here. Oh, that might have been 18. Maybe 17. These came out very cute. I've never tried this color on me before, but I am feeling it. It looks a little bit different on camera, but I'm gonna take some pictures and hopefully insert them into this video. How to style these. I was thinking like a half up, half down number, but I think I want to put it all up and see how that looks. I am gonna do my makeup as well. So yeah, these don't hurt at all. They are just a little tight, but that's depending on how tight you braid and how tight you do your rubber bands. I definitely recommend dipping these in hot water just to set the style. These twists were even super lightweight, putting it into a bun, so it was perfect. Yeah, this is definitely a quick style to just do if you are going to the gym, if you just need something for the week. Let me put this one over here. And whenever I do my buns with braiding hair, I never usually use a hair tie or anything. I just kind of wrap the hair around itself. I hope you guys can see in the mirror back here how I did that. But yeah, this is the color. I'm gonna fix my baby hairs a little bit more. Don't know if I like how those are right now. I just did those just to start off. I always start and do my baby hairs first before I start braiding, because that way my baby hairs won't be tucked into the style. I do have a head wrap right here, just a regular black one that I folded in half. I'm gonna show you guys how I usually put it on. Okay, and then I'm gonna snazz up my, what's it called, my baby hairs a little bit more, because I feel like they need a little bit more flare. And I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be back. So this is the final look for this hairstyle. I went ahead and took some pictures. I'm really loving the color on me. Okay, it looks really cute up. I'm really feeling it. And I just went ahead and threw on this gray set that I have with these gray bottoms and my Air Maxes along with my purse. And yeah, I'm gonna insert those pictures so y'all can see. But yes, this hair is really cute. Model, the new Aloha twist. Yes, this is in the color Tcopper again, Tcopper. I was thinking about dyeing my hair copper, but this is giving me even more reason to, okay? I just want to thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see y'all next time.